Now you can see I spent several minutes and went in and actually followed the flow zones of the face. So I'm looking for the high points and the low points and just kind of move my points to the given areas. And if I want to kind of check my work, I can kind of go and I can kind of spin it around. And I may need to go and modify it a little bit later on, but I have a good start to my Shrek. I can also go in here if I want to continue to check. I can right click and go to Object Properties and turn off see-through, and I can get a little bit better look of what things look like. Also, I'm going to use NURBS, so I went and turn that on. And what you'll notice is I did exaggerate the chin a little bit, just so that I can get more of this look that I'm looking for here, and get the under part here as well. And you can see you follow the flow zones along the left-hand quadrant, and you follow along the front quadrant, and you can see the depth that you get. And if you follow the graphic underneath the bottom of your object here, you can tell it comes out fairly nice. So let's go in and begin to work on the upper part of the lip. Now, just because I've worked on it doesn't mean I can't come back to it later and work on it some more. So I'm going to move this down, and you will tweak it all throughout the project. And what I'm going to do to begin with is kind of match these polygons with the ones on the lower side. So I'm just going to kind of move these along like this, kind of match those. Also, I'm going to turn NURBS back off and make it a little easier to do that. Also, I'm going to turn see-through back on. So just right click, go to Object Properties and turn that back on. This will make it a little easier. And I'm just going to go one by one and begin to start moving these around. Like I said, I'm going to kind of match the lower, because I have like 3 here, and then it starts tapering off a little bit to get the rounding effect that I'm looking for. And I'm just going to do these one at a time, and then go in and modify these later on. I'm just going to keep doing this until I get close to the look that I want. Now, for me, when I'm creating something like this, it's difficult for me to go and do all this, just grab one polygon one at a time and just move it and have it be in the correct place. It's kind of the process of moving, getting it matched, and then after you move that and get that set up, then go in and then tweak it to make your best final outcome. In the next video, we're going to work on the nose. So in the meantime, I'm just going to go in and I'm going to fix or move these to create the flow zones for the upper part of the mouth. And like I said, in the next video, we will go ahead and build out the nose.